everybody, this is Big Kev with Cal-Tex BBQ out here at the American River Ace cookout spot. Today we're going to be putting together some Moink Balls for you, a simple, easy appetizer recipe that you can throw on for the big game. We're with Papa flavor. We're going to take a little bit of Wagyu ground beef. It will work with any type of ground beef. Simply season it up a little bit. We're going to put a little bit of cheese in the inside. Roll it up, seal it up really well. A little bit of seasoning on the outside. We're going to use Papa Flavor's Bougie Steakhouse for the beef. And on the little bit of bacon we're going to wrap it up in, we're going to kick it up a little bit with Papa Flavor's Voodoo, available right now for the month of February. And it's real simple. You just take that piece of bacon, wrap it around that beef, stick a toothpick in it to hold it, and you're all set to go. We've got the Traeger Ironwood XL. And the Moink Balls are just going at 350 right on the grate until the bacon is nice and crisp and that ground beef has hit that 165 mark. Simple, easy, and delicious. Thanks for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you try it for yourself. And make sure to pick up Papa Flavor Rubs at American River Ace today.